The Rise Nofirno sealing system from Baylor Engineering is the ultimate solution for cable and pipe penetration sealing. It combines maximum simplicity of use and optimum flexibility to give outstanding performance. The propane jet fire test aims to prove the product's fire rating. It was conducted in early June 2009 at the Health and Safety Laboratory at Buxton in England. The test complies with the ISO 22899 standard. The test pieces were installed inside a fire recirculation chamber to maximize the effect of the flames. They consisted of a range of electrical cable sizes. These were both armored and non-armored ship cables, the largest being 3-core 400 square millimeters. There were also bundled land data cables to represent a realistic shipbuilding cable set. And there was a steel pipe, 273 millimeters in diameter. All cables and the pipe were sealed with the Nofirno sealing system through the steel bulkhead. The propane jet was 1 meter away from the test piece. On the non-fire side, all cables extended 50 centimeters beyond the bulkhead as specified by the test criteria. A large number of thermocouples were attached to measure the temperature at different positions on the test piece during the jet fire. Video cameras were in place to record the effects of the jet fire on the penetration. The propane jet fire was initiated and the temperature on the surface of the bulkhead was approximately 1200 degrees centigrade. The jet fire simulates a hydrocarbon-fueled fire on an offshore oil rig or a missile strike on a military warship. After 30 minutes of the jet fire, no adverse effects are seen on the non-fire side and the Nofirno sealant layer remains completely intact. The situation remained unchanged after an hour of the jet fire inferno. The speed of the burning propane jet was 360 kilometers per hour. The control room monitored the thermocouples and recorded the test data for later analysis. After 90 minutes, no penetration of the fire or toxic gases had taken place. There was a small amount of smoke emerging from the open ends of the large electrical cables, which was caused by the fact that the cable ends had not been closed off. The test was concluded after 2 hours and 5 minutes of incredibly intense heat and flame. 1,300 cubic meters of propane had been used during the test. These shots show the effect of the sealant around the pipe directly after the end of the test. The temperature rise at the top of the sealant was 151 degrees centigrade and at the bottom 95 degrees centigrade. There was no distortion or cracking of the sealant. In some spots, the only visible effect after 2 hours exposure was the sealant layer protruding a little out of the coaming around the cables. This was due to the pressure load caused by the velocity of the propane jet combined with the extensive heat. No flame or smoke breakthrough occurred on either penetration, and mechanical stability was maintained, proving the ultimate quality of the system. This successful test shows that the Nofirno sealing system is suitable for all types of marine, military and offshore installations, where outstanding performance is demanded and is always delivered.